I'm brand new to trading and pretty risk averse at the moment, at least until I learn more. What strategy or strategies would you suggest for someone like me who is brand new to trading?
Oof. Probably something with defined risk, like an iron condor, credit spread, if you want to have a directional bias. Um, you'll find that debit spreads are relatively slow moving, and I don't think you'll like the um, aspect of having to pick direction, but you could try some of those too. Anything with kind of defined risk, keep your buying power in check, whatever you think that is, maybe cut it in half and go from there, because it really is the only thing that's going to take you out of this game is, trading too big from the very beginning.
Yeah, I mean,
And liquid products goes without saying.
it really depends. I mean, if you're risk averse and if you're risk averse and you want to try something out, I mean, something without a lot of directional risk could obviously be the easiest way to start.
Mhm.
Maybe like try a really wide iron condor on something or something like that. That would be kind of fun. Just if you really directionally, if you just don't want to play any direction game. If you want to play something directionally, a lot of people start with like a naked short put if they want to buy a stock, or they start with a covered call, buy stock, sell call against it. Those are kind of classic, you know, entry level trades, of course, and then the classic, credit spread.
Mhm.
Um, uh, if when we're usually starting somebody off like where do I start type stuff, we usually start them off with a credit spread, because a put credit spread if you're a little bullish, a call credit spread if you're a little bearish, and then eventually that leads into like an iron condor or something like along those lines. And that's kind of our thought process. Start off with a credit spread, just focus on some of the 45 days to expiration, collect one third of the width of the strikes, high probability trade, find something directionally that you kind of like, so there's a little bit of an opinion in there to give you, to show you how easy or how hard it is. That everything goes into that kind of, something that's very manageable, something that has very very little risk. If you're a little bit more, if you like a little bit more risk, then you can obviously, broaden those choices. But um, I guess the easiest thing to say is traditionally it's been, covered call, naked put, credit spread on the put or the call side, or maybe an iron condor.
Awesome, awesome.